Yeah, hi guys, my name is Jola Adekunle from Group A, and we're told to make homemade yogurts, Greek yogurts, from a course which we did this semester by 414 Technology. So, what are the ingredients? Full cream milk of Dano, starter yogurt, and water. And probably we want to add sweetener. That you can make use of sugar or any sweetening agents. But the first thing we did was sterilizing all our equipment. The milk was poured into the bowl. Then water was prepared. We boiled water. Make sure the water is a little bit warm. Then we pour the warm water into the milk gently. Do not rush. And you whisk the milk together. After adding water to it, just add the content of water that suits the content of the milk you have in your bowl. Then you continue to whisk till you notice there is no form of lump again in the milk. Though later on you might still witness some little lumps, but definitely the act of sealing. Then later on you take little water and you prepare your starter yogurt. Starter yogurt you have to pour little into another cup. Add the starter yogurt to the water, turn together, then make sure everything is gels together. Then from there you can now add your, these are my classmates, my group members. Yeah, from there you can now add your starter yogurt. That is sugar sweet by me. You can add it. Yeah, that's to ensure probably it is warm. So the water is warm. Then the starter yogurt is being added to water. Then from there it was poured into the milk. So just to ensure everything comes out smoothly. Yeah, just to ensure everything comes out smoothly. So we just have to verify. As you can see, the starter yogurt has been poured into the milk. The milk has to be whisked again. So she continues whisking, and after whisking, that's where the process of sieving comes in. You just have to sieve. Then you wait. After sieving, you put into an incubator. And then you wait for 6 hours. Yeah, here is it. Here is the result after 6 hours. So after incubating the yogurt for 6 hours, here is what it looks like, and your Greek yogurt is ready. At this stage, it is known as Greek yogurt, unsweetened one. That's no sweetener yet, just directly from the fermented product. Then you probably, if you want to decide to add sweetener to it, we made use of sugar. Then little water was added to it so as to make it lighter a little. Here is the sugar we added. So little water was added so as to make it lighter a little. Then you can serve, and if you want to, probably you can make it chill by putting it into the freezer. Thank you.